Excuse me, good afternoon.
Yeah, Mister. Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, I have a pet calf. What do you have for a pet calf?
So I recommend you to try this cough syrup. We have comics herbal syrup and then fix syrup. Which one do you want?
Okay, how about the price of both?
So the prices, comics is cheaper than fix, but the best seller that people choose is fix.
Okay, does it works?
Yeah, it really works because I have tried it before.
Okay, I will take 4 fix.
Okay, Mister, thank you. You can go to cashier and then take the receipt.
Okay, thank you, sir.